Hi everyone, this is Kai from RC Rocks. Today I will show you how to play animal sounds in Google search. Let's get started. First of all, uh, type here animal sound. Paste it. Animal sounds. Here by default showing lots of animal sounds. Such as example, here dog sound, dinosaur sound, zebra sound. If you want specific any animal sound, such as example I am searching dog sound. Here is not available any sound, but you can press here. Right now you can press anywhere various type of dog sound you can hear. Such as example, look, here is one icon. Press here. I am pressing here. Here is another dog sound playing and give icon. Similar like this way you can do it. That's it.